On this week's edition of Strange Oddities, what you're looking at here is a early 80s Southern Breeze Fairwind ceiling fan made in Japan, based in Florida. Well, Clearwater, I believe to be exact. Somewhere over there. Now, this fan has a 4-speed knob with an off position as well, but it also has an on and off pull chain. And it came with this polished brass forearm light kit, which is an unusual cap because most of them would have came with this type of cap. Now, for some reason it ain't plugged in, so I'm gonna plug it in. Now it's hooked up. Okay. So I bought this at Habitat for $10. It was the cheapest fan there. And it's a really good thing I spotted it. But it's missing most of the mounting hardware. Besides the down rod. This is the down rod it came with, and it should have this type of down rod. But I don't have anything else to hook it up to the ceiling with, sadly. So I'm gonna show you the light. Really nice. I took the shades from that antique brass fitter I showed you. And now I'm gonna start it up on the low speed. This has a nice range of speeds. Low, medium, high, and ludicrous. So we'll be checking that out in a minute here. And this is the 42-inch version, the smallest size they offered of the 4 sizes. Brass is in good shape besides that area of the switch housing, which is, you can probably see it a little bit there, but it's not bad enough. Like, it's not in the best shape though in some areas, but you can't really see it that well, so. This is the second speed. Third speed. I mean, technically, if you go from high to low, this would be the second speed. It's high speed on the average fan. Although it could be slower, faster than that. And now for speed 4, or speed 1, however you want to look at it. This thing's insane. It goes about 305 RPMs on high speed. Getting it as close as I can without, hitting it. So this is ludicrous mode. And the off position on the switch knob. So here's the spin down.